I have been using this gardening kneeler for 4 months now, and here are the 3 things I think you should know. First, it has plenty of space for me to store all my tools. Has space on both sides. These are removable for cleaning, which I love. Not only is it a great kneeler, but it's also great to sit on as well. So you can remove these also so that you can use this as a seat, which I have also found handy. I have found this to be comfy even on uneven ground. And the kneeling pad is removable, which is super helpful for some of the projects that I do, because it's not always comfortable to have the kneeler because it is about an inch above ground. Sometimes it's easier and I need more padding. So I'll open it up like this. This pad is so comfy that when I use it, I don't feel sore the next day, which I absolutely love. I'm very impressed by the quality of this, and I am also loving the fact that it is super easy to clean. If you are looking for a gardening kneeler, I highly recommend this one.